you come and say that they should push us away? Why do you? If you think you can't do the job, go.
Abusia, and the 5th May 2025, there were 2 strong demonstrations and of course Ghana. Nanyina against the president John Mahama. Bako ekosu kumanze demonstration against the removal of the CEO of Conference Teaching Hospital, Professor Dr. Ochere Ade Mensa. The removal no. Omi a demonstration, kumanze follow a demonstration against that. And of his Accra. Omi a demonstration against the removal of the Chief Justice. Na no Ghana police for Afenyo Markin stop Afenyo Markin. Ombe prevent you from doing the demonstration. Yes, omunomo clashéd. In this particular video, no, memo updates. Send the BBA Esikoy. I Penyah Brock Media. Mess was any demo. Obe like video around over subscribe button and snap back like a notification and connect latest updates. Now better watching their mama ever comment. She mess was baswa. Now she will more for us to any be ashe. You have free confanoche. Last week, nim and pop up say the CEO of Conference Teaching Hospital, Professor Dr. Ochere Ade Mensa Masa, akwano ekura qualification. Set a crack on enyasem kuma Professor Dr. Ochere Ade Mensa. Omu ne fro His Excellency John Mahama and remove every honum appoint in the fro. But as Emma no crano Kevin Taylor, ebe chere na adwuma be kan kwase asem ho.
See, the CEO of Confanoche, Yapamono, he catch them say, Confanoche Nankasana is one. Confanoche Hospital is one. Seno Crepani Beka. Omo Amatina Bruchi, Omotakwa Bruchi, Omo Mokano Cre, Senkano Crepani Beka, and a Sibu Yenya Trofo, Yenya Hypocrite. Obia ote asantimemu bia wetuko akwa abuchiri aba titru wakwaji ayaresa ewo abuchiri hospital aba obia oka no kre a opese sebio no kre yede tu bebia e wo se yede tu obia wa ready say opempuntu ama asantimaya at least wetuko kakra akọ amanfo froso sebio UK US akọ sene ayaresa biatie no saa nipa no o se anka otumi lead a campaign say Confanoche will see a bullying in Atugu. Yeah. Confanoche is a 99% death trap. Straight up. But Yankano Kre. Yade, no maybe a territory Confanoche. Recently, the health committee Echo Ho Teaching Hospital. They were impressed how the people who were managing Ho Teaching Hospital, how they have managed it. Aya nipa na wo de omo to ano no aya nipa na omo lead aya de facility no so we see obi na se odwene facility no ho na odwene nipa omo eba facility mo pia that CEO will be worried about the condition of the facility and they'll be worried about the people who come to Confanoche to deliver, to come seek for help. That person will be more into making sure say there's an alternative facility to use. Nanka ya planning to break down Confanoche. No kura ya nkantina Confanoche Teaching Hospital damusiwo. Senka ya pese no kura yeka ya pese nke di enima anka Confanoche anka say by now. I was saying ya advocate say ya buntumbu. Say omo di enim e ka no kure e na anka omo dwene ya ho. E na di omo hu na brochire a omo ko eko access no. Sankobo be say yes so you access the same thing na yenya apomuden papa anka sam penifom di enim nyina anka omoba Ghana anka omoba Confanoche break it down. This is the situation now. Say we are hospitals wo Afari hospitals wo modern day hospital built with brick that is going to last. Safety is secured, everything is intact. Why are we broni be the besi say we are broni be the besi Afari na broni be the because sa hospitals ni mi siwo na oda hoko Confanoche eko just ayaresa e che sa broni we jimi me say broni bi ni wa obesi eye Afari regional Afari military hospital ensi se we are enkosi eye tepaw se eye kumewu na sa broni na after building these hospitals no na wasako Confanoche say eho na okoja yaresa broni bi ni wo beye sa with Jimmy. So why are we still comfortable going to Komfonochi? Abra, there were modern day facility is where that facility, no, as we speak, no, that facility, no, we know say a bit my jumano is saving lives. Why are we still sticking to a death trap? Sometimes you ask ourselves, say, are they a broben kwane ye? Whole teaching hospital, the parliamentary health committee echo to whole teaching hospital. What they saw, they were shocked. They were like, this is what we need leaders to do. They have maintained the hospital well. The facility is in good shape. This is the whole teaching hospital.
What I said, Kevin Taylor, without any qualification in life, without any credible qualification, a cassetia, professor, doctor. This word no balance. This word no balance. Kevin Taylor without any qualification, a cassetia, professor, doctor. Hey. Per the removal of this doctor, no, and then the Kumase for no. It was a very peaceful one and harmonious one. Oman TNZ Krum. A press conference. And as any more account almost some editor abine said there be. Omun Tiasia. On sell mano. On Timinia the Opera Ghana ha. Oberto Conference Teaching Hospital. As a war. Untimia fall to me. Emia the Opera. It mother phone and then Omega can be par editor. His Excellency John Mahama. The young Munkakra. I was ever care an opano. Now may live streaming. What I say. Na me live stream to mum join bia de omo ehu bi ana se wan join bia obetima kohwe obie channel we ma okọ live session eda ho obetima anya bi ahwe ana nyina ye demonstration against the removal of the chief justice, that is right justice Tokno get to Tokno omo ye demonstration against the removal of the President Mahama ye beka 2024 election ni mo no na ni so de hu ba akon se oba review the constitution se be ya ebe permit no. Now what me I go for another term. Nebo time in say obe go for third term. Now obe be a third term president. 80. The removal of the chief justice Mahama ni abere hu nyina enya de asun bia opese we ni free ho no appointed ni nipa na ote committee no me in remu e wo constitution ni mu na wo mutimi ye changes esa edini bemu na otimi go for another third term.
Why your president that be no ma peni ma hwehwe opese akunya wo tena so sa adan emna da ho clean unya glasses and so wahu emna da ho say ota maso enam said the fruit pe opese o tena kunya 20 enu ti no opese o chief justice no enne ye ni abere a ye ti abontin na ye kire no say be enye ma me tokonu tira eni pa fufuro bia no susu ana ma be ni poto ni fa sa akwa rosu ye be ye kire hwe Ghana enne me no mienu ya hoto ya sundue ya da chi nyina gida na de ekoso ha se sapon ye ora ma ma peso otu se onya tupa wi a Ghana constitution ase de eche ne se na ba foforo bi aba okoda na oso daye do hia se obe baka chance o ma peni enu am na chief justice bi no o tieti am ti pamoni furo ampa ma pa no pamoni furo de na ma ba ko ba ne se judge bi di asem ne enyo da enu aso be ko Jubilee house to the president ba ko judge bi ko di asem ti amen wandi ni ye 20 cent ni a 20 cent de eche ne se echina that is almost Supreme Court in Yano, or maybe man guarantee. The China said that is almost High Court, that is almost Circuit Court, maybe man guarantee. And then be about sure no matter what we have this Mepamo, what we have in your Bepamo. Sabi, you bet my young system, you bet my to us over be a judiciary.
General, people will say, no, no, more, no crap around, Sabu, now I'm on penny ends, yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, so until you bet to us. You back to Africa and now you start a demonstration back. Next time you back. Next time you bet to sit down demonstration. And the 1 year credit as well. From my penny and just an omona work to now. Our person the Ghana call you man. Said the boy not. A boy not the make catch him central for the same. Sabi Momon cancer mono. Mama amount 14 on my cost. Ghana, you have 5 million central force. The crap could do. I need to be here and the catches the oil and 1 year. And I'm on my penny, my ambulance. Mumbia man, I'm conscious of my penny. Say, began a young quadia.
General, I know we know. Judges for no more honor.
The problem, no. And my dear, oh, you know. Or as an MPP for any other political party, and who said there be a threat to the judiciary of this particular country. A threat to the judiciary, you know. in the end and a demonstration against the removal of the Chief Justice.
Our affirmative bill. Actually, say, your Baba to me, I am a Berman to me. I it is your Chief Justice. Berman to ye bay. It's men you are bar, name for Berman, Mamma, so. And only anti-as yet.
Opening near John Mahama, no, and Yanniquemu, and answer because Wamaya says a constitutional on the Council of Elders, Aquadrin and a Council of Elders, Amana, coin, so bet to me, I suspended some petition beer, Abaton Apnoso. What do you want to say?
Papa, may a Christian in the Bible say, ya one yaman in our coin, and so Yaman in a fataye. Ampa constitution nipa natural or the man nipa and a constitution be an miracle even Supreme Court ko dia sama on the agent and unti constitution now can say Chief Justice na ya de bia yesusu say e bro nyanka so pani ya monfa ne nko president that's the petition na petition we are yemfa Council of State dream no hu sanya why ne bone a afedie yemfa ne ma say team
no na petition na ba na petition ni mun semino ye nim ne wom as we speak now but president I too want am
mo me da asiminia wo ye journalist man ye ho se onua no ne say no kware na mo nya me pe ne say bra sam ye ni mu hwe no sami jamfi o ya president no minister and I say God board chair o de abeto ni Facebook say nyama me na ye ne de bone pa de nti na o de ne ma eni ni kuntu kwan me na me de beto ho ana okay yeah kwacho fosu our flag staff of Minister of Information or Communication ono so de abeto say ma me de kwan bia so esi ejeli no me na me kan na say ono na eka anu nti we nyina kyerɛ sɛ asɛm na wɔatutu na basa na nea wɔatusu anso person ha maame no anu nti na atwa me nsɛm a me say hands off the bench President Mahama ɔnyɛ lawyer nti onyi ne nsɛm free bench ne so adanti a constitution na so constitution na ma President Mahama bɛyɛ president sɛ constitution anso na ɛma Chief Justice tɔkɔno ayɛ Chief Justice adanti na wɔpɛ sɛ wo sɛ wo deɛ me nua me ha wo mmerɛ ba fa kyɛ
as no bote omo kɔ the Jubilee House akɔ present omo petition to the president. And my then crab petition no president no ama meje osma obi and a beje when back crab by kick and say me crowd or
a judge is transferred, and when somebody is on bail, now the Attorney General is able to say that there are some exceptional circumstances that the person must be remanded, and a judge, a high court judge, decides to say, I'm remanded. A state intelligence official, somebody who has committed 20 years of his adult life to serve the state as an intelligence officer, is thrown back to on remand. And a judge sat and said he's granting the wishes of the Attorney General. Really? What is happening? Let's be careful. As a nation, all we have is our democracy. Should things get out of hand, we may not be able to control it. So I'm signaling us as a political class, we need to proceed with caution. All of us. We shouldn't take the power for granted. There is unemployment on the streets. The youth of Ghana need employment. The NDC government itself has already failed in its main promise to the Ghanaian people, 24-hour economy. It was not contained in the SONA. It was not contained in the budget statement, and they are busy with resources to attack the Chief Justice, sacking senior military officers, youth who have been employed in the public service and in SOEs are being asked to go home. We now have two Ghana. The Ghana for the NDC that is in government, and then a Ghana for others who are seen as enemies. This is not a revolution, it's a democracy. So my respected colleague, I am humbly, on behalf of your fellow citizens, presenting this petition to you as a judicial secretary for you to deliberate upon it, read the content, table it before the Judicial Council. Every staff, every member of the judiciary must read this and let your conscience prick you, so that you would also be the next to protest and do a sit-down strike, because it has happened before when Georgina Wood came under attack. Chusak rose to defend. The Judges and Magistrates Association rose to a defense, and that stopped the Atamon's government. The time again has come for you, the judiciary, to rise. Don't be comfortable because it is Tokonu. Don't be comfortable because you have your own grievances, because you also have a party interest, because the attack is benefiting you. No. Be with that attitude of touch one, touch all. Rather, pray that a fair system is created for all to benefit. Thank you so much indeed. I pray that this petition will achieve its purpose. Thank you so much. God bless our homeland Ghana. Arise, Ghana, you for your God.
That demonstration because now, area ben, the Jubilee House now. Honor seminal. Ghana police for intercept womu I just say. Sana yenim. Sana if they wanted to beat the demonstrators, so or if they no one knows. Starting with Coca, they were attacking Coca and his guys.
The meaning of that. Why do you come and say that they should push us away? Why do you? If you think you can't do the job, go. We are here because of us. So don't go. So what will you do to me? Did you hear what he said? You can't do anything to me. Who do you think you are? Who do I think I'm here? If you want to beat me, who are you? How do you say that they should beat us? How do you open your mouth to say that? No, the man is away. Go ahead, Judge. He said we are working in front of them, so they should push us away. Police, we don't go, he say make them push me. The police money there from them. I know him. I'm naming him. I go call him. The boss money. He goes more.
Afenyo Markin, because this particular demonstration, it involved all the other political parties with the exception of NDC. Parties that can join a demonstration against the president on his bid to remove the Chief Justice. No mean a demonstration against him. It is Afenyo Markin a minority leader. It honor say Odimuntin Timai. What I say? Donation a kukudam. Kofia Polomunano. Edimuntin Momina Etutia. What I say? It Afenyo Markin echo say. Almost bend the Jubilee House now in the Ghana police for Erumbe clashéd. Push for push. Omuntia say Afenyo Markin enko present petition to Mr. President concerning the removal of the Chief Justice. Ebuja come here so man dey aye nipa ni bidia. O man dey nipa ni bidia. Eti kira wadwe mame e comment section. Ghana police for any demonstrators are clashéd at the forefront of the Ghana Jubilee House. What is your take on this? How do you see this action? Kira wadwe mame e comment section. Aha ye Penyah Block Media. Accra.